Hello, my name is Juliana Nwauwa, and I'm presenting an emerging technology, artificial intelligence. Today, we'll discuss introduction, history of artificial intelligence, some common subtypes of AI, how artificial intelligence will improve different areas of healthcare, the pros and cons, ethical, legal, and standard that impact artificial intelligence, potential barriers to the further development, conclusion, reference, and any questions. Introduction. Efficient electronic data transfer of real-time health information, sophisticated medical devices, and high-tech operating rooms are all health information technology solutions that are transforming healthcare delivery and improving outcomes. As entrepreneurs in healthcare increases, the control and use of both the old and the new technologies to offer solutions they take to the market as emerging technology also increases. An example is artificial intelligence, which is applied to clinical, operational, and financial solutions in health care setting. Cabello and Lane in 2019 described artificial intelligence in general terms as a computer system that performs tasks that require human-like intelligence. It includes computer science, mathematics disciplines. Was also described as a group of self-learning techniques that discover information from data. The history of artificial intelligence dates back to the invention of programmable digital computer in the 1940s. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was formulated. From 1964 to 66, the first chatbot called Eliza was designed that poses as a psychotherapist, followed by a computer program that interpreted chemical analysis published in 1976. The moment of 1976 to 1980 was so much decline due to the government funding that is lacking and also lack of interest. In 1980, after the first National Conference of the American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held in Stanford, several other computer intelligence was developed. Among them includes the first self-driving car in 1987, Roomba vacuum cleaner in 2002, artificial intelligent personal assistant in 2003, speech and image recognition in 2012, and AlphaGo by DeepMind Technologies in 2016. The evolution of artificial intelligence in medicine dates back to the 1970s with the introduction of the expert system called MySane. MySane provides diagnostic decision support. From the 1990s to 2000s, advanced machine learning system was developed. This was capable of training themselves to learn logic rules. In the recent years, the use of artificial intelligence in healthcare has witnessed a surge in effort as well as early proof of concept successes, such as detecting diabetic retinopathy and skin cancer using medical imaging. Herrera et al. 2019 went on to state that building machines that can perceive the world and make decisions in the same way humans do remains the ultimate goal of artificial intelligence. Some common subtypes of artificial intelligence include brain-machine interface, deep learning, human-machine interface, machine learning, natural language processing, optical character recognition. All these methods and subtypes have contributed immensely to the use of artificial intelligence in medicine as it continues to emerge. How artificial intelligence improves different areas of healthcare. Artificial intelligence has contributed towards the improvement of patients' outcome in many ways. In care coordination, it helps to identify patients that need close monitoring and specialist care from electronic health record. It can be used in clinical decision support, early alerting, and risk scoring to improve data analysis. And AI care coordination platforms such as Homebridge can create customized health care plans for individual patients. Patient safety. Artificial intelligence assists providers in decision-making using decision support, thereby reducing error and increasing patient safety. Quality improvement. With the use of artificial intelligence method and subtypes, the field of biomedicine has benefited at many levels, such as the use of DL programs for cancer subtyping, subphenotyping, the prediction of the microRNA's gene target, and the use of NLP to search medical literature. Artificial intelligence can predict patients that are likely to be readmitted and use the information to improve programs that can help reduce the rate of 30 days readmissions. Cost containment. Early identification of diseases based on the prediction of occurrence will contribute to timely, appropriate care that will help to improve outcome, prevent complications, and reduce costs. In the area of patient engagement, the use of wearable technologies such as smartwatches, health monitors, fitness trackers, and the rest of them are also improving outcome in healthcare. Another patient engagement area is inpatient interaction for appointment setup, refilling medications, providing a patient with health information, and the ability to restore some cognitive function of a patient using computer programs. The pros of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence helps as a decision support system to diagnose diseases. It improves the process of care delivery from the organization of medical records to programming, surgery, and many other areas. It also helps to reduce the cost associated with delayed treatment and complications. It increases the time and speed of job completion using a set parameters and has the ability to multitask. It also uses the concept of predictive analytics to predict future events so as to make an early decision. The cons of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has operational errors, whereby it performs jobs that it is not designed to perform. They are not able to display emotions or sometimes reason the way people do. Artificial intelligence is not foolproof and as such can be hacked since it is a computer-based system. The cost of acquiring and maintaining artificial intelligence, some of them may be very overwhelming for some institutions. Consideration should be given to the cost of repair and maintenance, including software upgrade and code recovery in the case of severe breakdown. With the advancement and continuous evolution of artificial intelligence, there is a concern that significant area of human job may be acquired by AI technology, affecting the rate of unemployment. There are a lot of other AI failures, such as the self-driving car with AI, artificial intelligence killing a pedestrian, artificial intelligence recruiting tool from Amazon that review employees' resume being sex biased, and some other ones. Ethical, legal, and standards that impact artificial intelligence. There is a legal issue regarding who is responsible in the case of program errors among the clinicians ordering the task and assigning it to artificial intelligence solution, the clinicians looking at the results, the AI machine, or the company that developed it. Some of the AI systems can learn from their own experience and as such perform actions that they are not intended to perform. That might pose some ethical and legal issues. There are ethical issues concerning the transparency of AI prediction logic and the use of algorithms that cannot be tested and verified. Some of the ethical issues may be analyzed and addressed by creating an ethics advisory committee and determining the ethical responsibility of those working with artificial intelligence. Potential barriers to the further development of artificial intelligence. The potential barriers include proving generalizability and real-world application. Due to the adverse nature of medical data in multiple institutions, the use of multiple external validation sets is required to ascertain the performance of the application. The future breakthrough will be to provide well-validated applications that can fit or be generalized across different populations. Interpretability and the black box problem. The adoption of AI in healthcare is limited by a concern that some of the models are not transparent, even if they have a high performance. They lack rationale of why they predict an outcome occurrence. And this makes it difficult to identify the cause and effect relationship of the characteristics of variables. Data access and equity. Issues of data access and quality can cause barrier. Other barriers are related to concerns of transmitting protected health information, diversity of medical data, incompleteness in data collection, lack of interoperability of data among institutions, and competition between institutions. Education and expertise. Medical providers may be limited in the ability to use and understand the mechanism of DL neural networks or appropriately adapt algorithms. This barrier can be mitigated by pursuing and encouraging the collaboration of the clinical, bioinformatics, and data science department. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is one of the emerging technologies used in healthcare. Evolving from the introduction of the programmable digital computer in the 1940s, artificial intelligence has continuously advanced in many areas of life and is still advancing, especially in healthcare arena. It uses different methods with subtypes to improve healthcare delivery in the area of care coordination, quality improvement, cost containment, patient safety, and patient engagement. With several advantages and disadvantages, AI has some barriers that may limit its further development. Some ethical and legal standards that impact AI could be in the area of governance and decision-making responsibility, transparency, validity, and automation. The future of AI is yet to be seen. These are my references for the information, and any question is highly appreciated. Thank you, and have a nice view.